In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh multiple tabs at once in Microsoft Edge web browser. This is a handy trick, especially if you're someone who tends to have numerous tabs open and frequently needs to update their content all at the same time. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you're going to want to click on the very first tab that you wish to refresh. This initial step is crucial because it sets the starting point for the group of tabs you want to include in the refresh action. If you find yourself generally dealing with a multitude of tabs, it's always a good idea to organize them in a way where similar tabs or the tabs you frequently refresh are adjacent to each other. It'll make this process much smoother. Next, you'll need to hold down the Shift key. This is an important detail to note because the Shift key is what allows you to select multiple tabs at once. As you hold down the Shift key, go ahead and click on the last tab that you want to refresh. Doing this will select not only those two tabs, but also all the tabs that lie in between them. This means you can effectively choose a whole range or group of tabs as long as they are in a continuous sequence. For those of you who are accustomed to using keyboard shortcuts or enjoy quick workflows, you'll appreciate this little feature as it can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Now that you have your tabs selected, the final step involves refreshing these tabs. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either click on the refresh button located at the top of your browser, it's the iconic circular arrow, or if you're more comfortable using keyboard shortcuts, simply press the F5 key. Both methods will trigger the refresh action, updating all your selected tabs simultaneously. This step is particularly useful if you frequently monitor pages for updates, or if you've made changes in a web application and want to see them reflected across multiple tabs. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap. Click the first tab you want to refresh, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last tab to select all tabs in between. Finally, simply hit the refresh button or press F5, and voila, all your chosen tabs are refreshed at once. By mastering this technique, you'll be able to streamline your browsing experience, ensuring that you're always up to date with the latest information on all your important web pages without having to refresh each one individually. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little trick makes your internet browsing just that bit more efficient.